everything that I love. Yeah, ain't nothing that come above. Now we go from angry and mad to happy and glad to find a solution for us. We go from sorry and sad to ready to grab our weapons and get to the front. I want the money, the cash, the moolah, the bag, the currency, stacking it up. We want the freedom to live and the freedom to have. The things will be lacking, my bruh, so what are we lacking? I could point it out, so much that's around. Better settle down, no point doing that. Or they send the hounds, bite me in the, put me in the ground, turn me into ash, cut to carry down. From those who came up before me, I'm here to change up the story. Find me at work in the morning. Find me where people are mourning, man. Cause death is around every corner. When life isn't free for a person, dog, you act like an animal corner. Savage is speaking a language, y'all. You don't understand, you a foreigner. But nobody needs an advantage now. We need some balance and order. But you know that's never the case. Never a chance that they're changing their ways. There's never a choice that they're giving to you. There will never be just in the face. We sing for the sorrow and dance for the pain. No one to follow, it's just you and me. I swear that it's coming, we starting today. But we'll wake up tomorrow and things are the same. Damn.
Something broken oder something. Das für eine Scheiße hier. I think the extraterrestrials are coming. I decided finally for a new light here in the room. Just for fun. Du bist also Huso. Das ist das beste Licht für das. Eigentlich wäre aber das viel zu hell. So fast. But there's another light actually, an extreme one. That's the photo light. But it is too bright, it shines completely in my eyes. It's since actually years off. Oh. Decided yesterday after the dentist actually going to make this done. Shut off all my electronic. Gave me a chance actually to install actually this light. Also repair the door. Because there was so many wind actually. I decided actually I need to do something about it. So I fixed it. It's a bit noisy here. Must be the music or something that's crack. Also got these playlists, they coming up later.
Hello all.
So, I'll be right back. What happened? You showed normal? Let's be there. It's got both Licht. How is that possible? Because it's green, right? Look at that green. Boom. Oh, what happened? Got a little weird. Yeah. Huh. Not play around. Schon wieder eine Mucke in dem Spiel. No way, comes back. Kidding me? Oh, da muss schon wieder scheißen gehen, ey. Denk mal Gott, was ist denn hier los? Ach, der Gesetz ist nicht entfernen. Ja, fix wie wär's mal. Du Honigschlecker. Ah, die Musik ist mir einfach zu laut. Konnte ich zwei Musics gleichzeitig an das Auto gehen. Das ist eine grässliche Mucke hier.
Live Jam on Spotty you wanna make here, URL.
Maybe, hat er gesagt. Lass mal wieder in der Nase. Alter, ich muss unbedingt meine Drogen noch nehmen. Meine Pille. 30 Mal im Monat, wo die andere nur eine nimmt. Genau. Hoppala. Ja, Bastard, hat er gesagt. Kannst du jetzt Zockigkeit? Ach, so gerade. Bücher drum stehen hier, wenn der scheiß Ventilator nicht so heftig wäre. Der steht jetzt am Himmel. Boah, ich hab so ein flaues Magengefühl, ey. Ah, ist doch gut jetzt hier wie ein Kleinkind, ey. Du mit deinem, ich hab den Content noch nicht. Für was zahlen die eigentlich? Das ist schon der zweite. For God's sake. For God's sake. Ah, was soll ich jetzt machen? Aber stellt mir den Earplug. Ah, schon viel besser, Alter. Das geht Dröhne hier. Absoluter Bullshit. 70. Aber schon weit voraus. Aber passt schon, wir müssen sparen. Haufen Kohle, ne? Ach, wir müssen sparen. So, ich hab so die Vermutung, ich muss nochmal... I think I need it actually to go to peanut butter or some of this crap. You don't really want to go over there, right? Just pressing down actually the key button. Music is so loud. Ah, I love it. I just love it. So let's shovel up these wipes into the trash can. Cyber Monday. Oh, we are actually too late. Cyber Tuesday. Not again that Pininfarina. Oh man. Let's go to the toilet. And crucify myself when there's no toilet paper, goddammit. Like yesterday. Aber God thanks, I have enough, but it's far away. I want to stand up and just make booty shake or something. When you actually, you know what I'm saying? The dirt is still actually hanging around there. Ah, the medics today again. Woohoo, exactly. That must be the live stream diarrhea or something. If you're drinking too much coffee, tea, water. Oh man. Yesterday there was so much stomach pain actually. As well in the morning time by this second last live stream. I mean the last live stream was actually after 2 hours sleep. I thought actually, hey, why not? Let's live stream again. I'm an idiot. No, actually that weirdo tea actually, it just pushed me a bit. So actually it's like caffeine, but actually not the caffeine rush normally you got with a coffee, or actually with some Rockstar energy drink or something, Monster Energy, whatever. You can research it by yourself. Ach du Scheiße, habe ich das Klo jetzt erschissen. Ach Gott, aber gestern sauber gemacht haben. Lutscht das Ganze. Da schon mal ein bisschen Peppi gehen, jo. Oh, Strollen. Oh shit, jetzt ist er mal weggefallen. Ja, genau. So, welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on these 220, I don't know, 8, 7, what was that again, episode? Yeah, wow, I repaired the door, man, it works like the first day. Amazing. We're just actually dealing done after all these dentists. Tomorrow I need to go to the dentist again, but it doesn't matter. And have a nice time actually in here. I just want to a little bit play around here and then go to actually Defnation CP account. I'm already by Defnation CP account, I mean Defnation for real account. Oh, this perfume. It's time to smoke one. 6 minutes of around 7 o'clock AM here in Germany, Bavaria. And I take my heart pill. Nothing else, right? You never know. Easy technology, huh? With hanging. So haben die Farben, Alter. Deine erste Fahrt. Ah, come on! Alter, das Auto fährt ganz schön. Sind wir schon auf 200 oben. Was gibt's denn hier eigentlich? Just crazy. Sure, for no reason. Das war mir voll lauter Dreck. You're thinking you're special cool, huh? You little punk. Oh, mother in hell, he's winning. That was the weirdest race ever. My neck hurt a bit. My neck hurt a bit. I couldn't hear the car, man. I hate that thing. I wonder if that's a frost. What, a 360 4 times? That's 6 stunts, usually? Oh, come on, man. I can't believe I was drifting. Where? Ohne Totalschaden. Well, that is something worth, man, on that speed. Oh, you mother lousiness. Oh, that's just a 5. A 5-star Hawkins. Okie dokie. No. No way. Insolvent. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Insolvent. Yeah, how's it going? When was your last insolvent? That was for a minute ago. A toilet. I run out of toilet paper. So easy to explain. Don't worry. I just don't mean. That is insolent. Even you run out of toilet paper. The question then, something like, is it then in the first minute or the whole 24 hours to have no toilet paper then? To let it be actually insolvent called? Yeah, good question. Harry, what's the answer? Oh, Harry just jumped out of the window. Bad answer. We don't have no answer for that one anymore. But stay on 24 hours to be sure. To sitting 24 hours on toilet by being insolvent now because you have no toilet paper anymore. After these 24 hours, you can refill your toilet paper and you can say, I'm back in business. Or what else happened down below actually, because it's actually gluey as hell. Now I don't really, I'm never testifying that one out. What kind of stuff we talking here? Welcome to Germany, Bavaria. Where in the morning time you start another drink of beer is always a fun. And a little choke. No. Oh man, I need to repair the parts for you. What do you have? Just driving stuff. What do you have? You know. When he was saying goodbye. Bye bye.
High definition mule.
I'm Mr. Insolvent. Yeah. Oh crap.
For real.
I mean,
It is.
to be insolvent when you have no toilet paper on toilet because you run out. I hope you understand that fun. No, he didn't, because he's not speaking maybe English. We don't know. Cheers up, Kapiner, Schwalli, Service, Lieb, Gold, Prost, und die geschissen. Ah. Come on, let's do it then. I'm pressing all the time, sometimes X button, D-padding down, nothing happens. I didn't saw that one. So is it then? I like that new stuff. It's weird on me. Where we going? Stay, even if you're losing. Oh man, I hate that. There we go. Oh, that's right, this vehicle out, man. His imagination. That was double-sided. He was saying high definition, real, and I was saying for real to actually mean like you're high, but yeah, it is. The definition for real. Also, it was actually something like to say, okay, that's me. Hello. Atahihato. Oh, God bless you. Like you snooze. There's a second one of them. Oh, come on. Let the music a little bit louder. That's such a wonderful track. Yes! Wait for it. You're not gonna win this one, right? Nah. Nothing but just an engine on a vehicle. Ja, du Spinner! Sure, who's knocking next? The bear? Man, these daily events I never was actually a bet. Always losing there. I was ready for the music, man. You know. Take it to hell. Nah, forget about it. What's the party folk up there doing? Alright, you have to set it on and then you have to make a party light, right? Here we go. This is just in trouble time in here. So, another one. Oh, it's the warming light outside, you know. Is this any car? Das für Strom jetzt kosten muss. Ja, das Dreifache. Wieder neue Mucke. Ah, shot.
Hey, you locked your doors, man. Back to the department.
Good night, Mr. Popo. Mr. Popo. Tunnel sleep love von Mr. Popo. Ich glaube, heute kann ich mir irgendwie die Mucke hier sparen. Bleibt da mal wieder richtig rein hier. Ja, das geht in Ordnung.
Weiter, weiter.
Oh, ich glaube, ich muss gleich kotzen, Alter. Ich weiß nicht warum. Ich hab nichts im Bauch. Und der schon noch 26 Minuten Alkoholkonsum. Ja, gut, dass alles Mögliche im Kübel drin ist, verdammt nochmal.
Dang, hombre. But that mic is on, right?
And much too loud. A one-finger technique.
Donation. Mr. Donation.
How they can have already 4 mil? Sort of BS.
Your time you run that.
I can't drink all the times, you know. Some days you have to go sober and work. Yeah. To the hell, who are you talking to? For what? For that crazy car, Emea? 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 Why these weird names, man? Emea? Let's go to season, let's see what's coming up in there. He was saying something like actually the other gauntlet is coming again. Not really? Ah, weird. What should I do? Alright. Bitte dong. Ah, it's so cold. No. Strecken. Oh. Oh, hell no. Oh. Do not show me that again, yo. I tell that every time. Nah, it shows again. This game is a scam, friend. So 2 times. Okay. Oh, nice! And 6 of them, okay. Not so easy then. Oh, come on! Some time running out. You don't need to win. Here we go. Back in business. As you see. Why there was enemies actually with? Well, better say opponent. That was weird. What was that? End your life? End your life. But sometimes the music is seriously disturbing me. I better shut the music off, man. It's too loud. Today the headset won instead of the earplugs. And that's all what we did? But for what? Oh, there's the asphalt point. What is that again? Market tokens to the Black Friday. Oh, right. Well, not there. How long is this running? 9 days. Oh, okay. Why it says all the time this stuff? Also, the music is too loud. No, it's annoying me hardcore. Can't even hear myself. This is just annoying. But today, the headset is louder than actually my earplugs. I don't know why. Where was he? Why it says that? There is no content. It might not be for sale yet. Might no longer be for sale. Maybe you have a bad content. Or maybe your internet is offline. Maybe your Wi-Fi is stuck. Or you're living actually in the past. But it's already future. What can it be? Yeah. Okay. Nothing inside yet. Okay, the Koenigsegg is not so bad. It's just actually steering. What kind of a name is that again? Temerario. It's me, Temerario. What is it? Only thing we can do done, right? There's only one way to do that. Let's go down. I just want to go forward. I'm really pressing downward. Ah, hell. That game has actually a throat. I just want to strangle it. Cheers. Campana Strawberry City, så du skal ikke next beam. Seven minutes left. To bring the maximum, light and slide and touch drive. Oh, crack. Yeah, so much about slide and glide on the touch drive. Well, that was close. I'm an idiot sometimes.
Ready to go.
Holy moly, that is too much! Oh, that car, man. Ah, shoot. I bought 9 instead of a 6. Damn it. Was, Sie haben das 5. Mal Ihren Führerschein verloren? Was ist da oben gestanden? Zu Recht. Why are contenders in this game? I mean in this stage. And that race. This is totally nonsense. You have to concentrate about the challenges, right? I don't think so. My apology. You didn't give me money well. Your sponsor sucks. Burp. Enlightened. Are you gonna try it again? I couldn't even make that up because you can't drift in the same time when you're dealing down other stuff like catch up these what's that calling again? Yeah, whatever they call these yeah, exactly, these one of these Black Friday tokens or something. Hold a minute. Oh, I think my TV's broken, something shaking in there. Ah, okay, one of these. No, get down. And the last one for here, for the special event. A commercial. No scam. Ci so Campana Strawberry City, so du skal prøve next beam. Huh? Where are we driving now? Oh hell no. Okay. I think we jumped forward somehow. By no reason. Now I don't actually know. Do not know the conditions right now. Oh, why am I going there? no joke. Let's do a 6, right? As they say. Here you go. Crap, what's the color work, man? Paint shop. Oh, that was luck. Normally it's dead. Oh, a 6 and a 10. But you're in the wrong level in here. Not that they're playing in here. Yeah, it's the same. Huh? Why we changed the stage? Is that just randomized? I didn't know. Oh, that's cool. Winner! That's the extra dual stage for you, man. You've done actually this blueprint for this Koenigsegg CC850. Uh-huh. You allow me to say apologize, the money was it not worth. Cool. That's it. A 50. Didn't you say I get 1,000? Oh man, it's up there. Yeah, every month you have to pay $50 or something for that to have special VIP and special other VIPs and all this stuff, and forget about it. Hey, we can buy maybe something, but it says the content is not allowed anymore in this game or something. I don't know what that tells me. Gets harder. Sometimes something getting harder. Come on, you creepy ass sucker. You want stars? She gives you stars. To let understand, I'm listening actually over my earplugs, this Spotify stuff that I just linked in here as well. Mehr Verräter-Spielermodus. Sure, give me what? Something. And recharge for my life. Okay, that was nice. And actually that's it. Let's play career mode. Wow, it's getting cold here, goddammit. Actually saying this, but... Huh. Stutz! Oh, should I go actually to the English one? Oh, come on, I'm German. How dare you? This is your Japanese language, oh, your country is but not Japan, I mean. It's the Denglish guy, yeah, it's the Denglish guy. That's why it didn't speak very well to me. It's annoying. But these German bastards there, you know. Yeah. I totally forgot that I was inside actually with Need for Speed Takeshi Sato also in this party chat there. Ah, forget them. So there's actually just a 65 flags missing. And I think there was 7 careers. And the 4 cars. And the 4 cars, yeah. But did I just watch that? Ah, it was in here. So it says, let's see. Mumble, mumble, mumble. 65 career flags for getting a trophy. 7 seasons to deal done in the career. 4 cars. And that's it. These 3 trophies are missing actually to platinize that game. We are in the 6th month. And this is my 3rd account from 4 accounts to platinize. Ah, das muss ich mich schon wieder scheißen gehen, ey. Needing a car, you don't can play that, it's too strong. Mostly it's actually you need a car to end up a season. As you see, you can't end up already this one because there's actually the Infinity Project Black vehicle missing there. And I never got that anyway. There's another one, you can't go forward anymore, so this died actually. Fire and Lightning on DJ Volgin account I just did, because actually there was actually these Legend Unite pass I just did. But not money worth anymore. Already platinized actually after 2 months then actually another account. Instead from 3 to 4 weeks and 8 weeks, so it's just luck sometimes what kind of a blueprints you get. I'll go forward in here as well. What the hell? Huh? Okay. What happened? That inside? Maybe I just was bored, sleepy, drunk, I don't know. So many stuff. Just win the race and make barrel rolls. Let's focus all the times on these challenges and then actually win the race. The doors are open. Tell me, what the hell do you try to do, John? Coming even double time stronger back. Then I crashed them. This is so fucked. There's a truck. It says low, right? Not go. I need a walkie. Maybe actually I need something to say, oh right, toilet paper needs to go. so cold somehow. Yeah, it's December. The construction manager actually say you can stay home this week. Tomorrow the dentist. Another rude, actually, professional management. Drill it up and make it actually together again and blah 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 and here and there, repair it. Yeah, next week maybe a week work. And that's finally actually closed for me. Until actually the 6th January. Better say 7th January. I know when I make a fart, it's coming out actually liquid. Drink too much tea, coffee, water, and whatever. I just did energy drinks. Nothing. Just nothing. Alamar. Alamar. Yeah. There's so many water in there. That's weird. Oh my god, what he's doing there. Okay. He didn't know about Resident Evil 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So he did actually the music coming up with these guys, the Great Britain hipster style. Wrap that off maybe 2020, 2018? 18? 17? Yeah. 15 maybe. That's 10 years old, that song then. What crazy. I can't hear it anymore, that's my problem. Oh, that's scary. Close the door. Instead of having problems to close it all the time. Light. It's windy out there. My toes even hurt. It's cold. Let's just see. Better than nothing. Daylight. What? Whoa, wait. Barrel Rose? Barrel Rose again? Oh, that's weird. Ce ska pa annars drar vi så ut av utgång på oss i nästa spel. That was weird. Holy shit. Was our finish line? Couldn't remember. That's just the chair, don't worry. I'm not fart. When I was starting up the fart, Dennis came out liquid wise and I had diarrhea or something crap. Oh, claim. I didn't claim before, right? I'm a moron. Sit directly in front of the TV. You city unlocked. She's the Britney. That I don't play music to people that just went off. Wants to play. Rise and shine. Long night. You know you can't win this one in here. Another one. You might can't see nothing. What kind of a car you may need in the future. It isn't being done nothing. Pumped up the music inside, more people's gone. Severe the street. Weird. I have a drink. One in time. Sip and have fun. Das ist gruselig, Alter, wenn das Licht da oben funktioniert. Sieht sich wie in der Zahnarztpraxis. Gelagert there. Oh my gosh. How dare you. Easy. Which means an easy. Nice one. No more options left. Oh, ich dachte schon, mein Herzpuls. Dumm, 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 dumm. But for what? Brr. Isolation. You completed the season. Sie assen. Isolation. 60 flags left. Oh, nothing, hombre. How much of we would exist in? Another barrel rolls twice. This must be a joke. Is that randomized or something? You never wanna know it. Cheers. Good night. Hast du eine Nachricht zurückbekommen von ihm, oder? The only weak card. What shall we do? Yeah. Cat on a roof. On the left side, man was driving actually Root Town. Very good. More than a little bit. Good old train station. Oh no 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 no! Oh crack! I couldn't decide. I had the other one behind me as well. Dang. It says LOL, right? LOL. LOL, not go. Somebody really trying to be funny and sent this crap. Claim, claim, claim! Give you the opportunity, man. claim that stuff. I was waiting actually for the car that was driving actually on the roof. He was sharing the roof to us. And you can say actually, the roof is on fire. Okay, that's not funny. Good old San Francisco! Uh-huh. Look at that. Car's now available as well in here. From the B to the C. I mean, from the C? No, they're from the B to the C. That's a powerful. That's a powerful C chord. Cheers up, kampanj, naš pravi sedi, sodi skoj prosti nek špim, gambaremos. Bah! What happened? Don't tell me what's happened. Open your doors! I have an apple for you! Where you came from? I can see my house over there! Ay, caramba! Okay! What do you think you're doing? Am I wrong? Oh, I get headache. Oh, the music's sick. Buona sorte. Some don't like the music, some like the music to stay a bit in here. What's the matter? That's why I just linked in actually up here, top chat, live chat, actually something for the Spotify live chat. You can change the tracks and listen, and right now the earplugs actually into it as well. Gosh, give me a chance, because I am shutting off the final actually the music in the background because it makes me ill to listen to two music at the same time. Pulling me down. Where's these earplugs? Oh, that's much better. Game over. Drift a bit. 364. And San Fran. 360s 4 times. A whole crazy map. Where you gonna hustle that? Nice one. You failed already. I put an eye on you, Mr. Driver. Well, it seems to be okay. Everything done. Case solved.
The Viper Man.
It's unfortunate. Is it fortune or is it unfortunate? It's an unfortunate. We're tipsy on that one. Grab a Mac, Nitro the Bat, and power out the cat. And the missile fog of Greenland Forest. Waiting for the Alpha team. Do some stunts, you know. God, buddy.
Not saying the unadaptable.
Ja, natürlich. Sind schon noch alle Felgen im Kopf. Stunts. Das ist aber zu dritt hier. Holy shit, bitte nicht. Hope kommen? Na. Boah, vibration on the controller, holy shit. If he's already that the controller is falling apart or something, this crap. Shit, and he rammed me then. It's sure. It's me! A death rolling car. I'm a battery car. I came not so much for. And I'm running out of battery now. Have a great day. Oh, what happened? I feel so sad. streets of San Francisco. Michael Douglas. 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 The bridge final. Stinks like police were coming up. What just happened? And it's on. And then they separate and go for the bus. Oh, that was close, man. Excuse me. Trunk was open. Ay. Could you park somewhere else? He didn't have a chance. Feels like actually the handbrake is still on. Another Pope helicopter. Maine was a police pope there. Why do you say that like that weirdness? The other guy tried to actually climb a wall. What a nice race. It's just fun. Stretching. Oh, hell no. Not again. Oh. Claim. Jeez, abgefahren, schwab ist ein Lüt Goldbrust ist auf den Schnee geschaut. Oh, sowas von. Just go again. Still a lot of people doing something in here. Waterside. Was it water slide? Yo, party boy, refill my vehicle, yo. Oh, why you on fire right now, man? The party boy. Moss. Grab the bus ticket, goddammit. You again. Suck shoulder. Why couldn't there be actually in the game a little nighttime or something? I mean, yeah, there are some stages actually you have nighttime. But for some events, you know, to make the career a little bit more interesting. I never saw actually San Francisco in nighttime, you know, in this game. And kind of. Weirdo. Ain't clean, ain't clean, ain't clean. That's too less money, or Uber 12 credits this year. Transcontinental race. Transcontinental race. Are these all my cars, right? What is wrong with Ford? Question, why can't be there actually a D-rank car like actually the Ford Focus or something? Actually a strong car if you pump it up enough. I don't know, it's just a supercar race game or something. I'm more actually thinking about diarrhea to go to the toilet. Waiting until actually I'm going a little bit insolvent about the toilet. Running out of toilet paper then. Did it just saw? The cat was going under the chimney there? Oh my gosh. That's why she's so grey and so under the bridge stylish. Her hair. It's dusty. She likes it warm. What was the other one, but it's only working in German? Plätzchenbacken. Dann meinten sie aber Plätzchenbacken. Oh, ja. Oh, crap. Ordinary route. Here comes the fresh maker. Hello? I did nitro, but doesn't matter. Jesus. Becoming another flash maker, right? I know it. I decided the train home. In Germany, you're still waiting for that. Maybe every hour. And that's even too late. No, that's too early, I had to say. Sorry. I mentioned to say, okay. Now I'm going to pee, be right back. Thanks for watching a while. By the way. Did I ring? Here we go. Feels like already there's a big spider under that bell. Or in the bell. Poor Spidey. Couple of years actually I was getting seriously a handful big spider under my table all the times where I'm actually live streaming and playing video games and having my food and just watching actually YouTube. And then something was dropping down below actually the table's roof down to the floor. Boop. Said, what the hell? Then I watched. Holy shit, you big one. You know, if you go forward, there's electronic stuff there. I mentioned not to go there. Electrify yourself. So I just was give a fuck and just watching the YouTube again. I never saw the spider again. May still actually isn't that cable work down below? I don't know. Still get roasted. That's why I have all the times these USB hub with the 3.0 actually so much problems. Because the keyboard and mouse gets on, off, Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on with this USB hub since years. You have to grab it a bit and shake it a bit, tip it a bit, blow on it. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. Middle of the night you're watching YouTube, being in the bedroom already and having actually these wireless keyboard, the small one actually on you, and then it's not working. You just want to get the volume down, but nothing happened. So I get the caution, actually close my eyes then, close my ears and just asleep. The next day the neighbor actually asked, hey, why was it so loud? And I was saying actually it was a little bit too lazy to stand up to get the volume a little bit down. These times with these commercials on YouTube, goddammit. For sake. Willing to be a premium member. But this is not getting cheaper actually, like actually Spotify did. Weird stuff. Stunt the 6, the shockwaves twice. And the hum for free. Tjus op kampanjas, Robbie. Salut, godt godt i snack spielen. Salut. Salute. Say salute as well. That's Robbie. Gunburners. Gas and mechanics on duty. The extra Ford engine. Stump. Are you alone? Got that done. Thinking you're going? Oh, these gold rush. Of course. Some days I'm plenty of foolish. Some want some apples? Already too late. LOL. Laughing out my lung. Do I'm telling too much? That's why you're just rankishing? Haha. Moi moi. Hey, hoppala. Crack. Scared about tickets in Germany, about a train? Don't order. Never came anyway. Price was too high. I better stay home. Boss is calling. I never saw the train the last 24 hours long. Why you were staying home? Next time the boss was staying home as well. And the company was going actually, you know, insolvent. Nobody was working anymore. Thanks to the German, you know, train. Never came. What a blame. I should claim, you know. Dang! What kind of a poem? I'm done. Tequila and Smirnoff Ice. With a tip of orange juice. Better run, better run. You next time don't get fun. My channel. Looking at the panel. Better open up your day, yo. Getting the viper on the floor. 10 seconds to nitro. Man, my lung is burned. Ah, Anthrax actually in the cigarette these days, the sun's cracked. Who you call? But I can do them. Sing songs, right then. Whoa. Well, you can be so fast. But on a Mar watch, my friend. It's windy in here. Oh crack, where I'm going. Tried to make suicide or something, this crack. Oh, trees falling down from heaven. That we call air time with 60 tons. Crazy crack. Hey, yeah, I'm going down here. My ass and into the finish line. He's greedy. That was a lot of XD. Nitro. Boom. Just boom. The car. Just take a boom boom. Boom boom. Oh wow, what just happened? Get the reward. Reward. You don't want to get it? No, you're gonna go up there. No wonder everybody got the Chimera, man, because they're actually in a clan, and the crew actually, where I call them a club, can push actually 50k. Did one already pushed actually a 4 million or something like that. It's impossible for me to get all these stuff. No wonder they're so good. Oh yeah. And at the end of, I can't see it, what it is. 6 mil? 6 mil you get once an important part for Koenigsegg. That's cheap. They are rich. But I'm not leaving actually my club. My club. Once there was 5, I just erased them. And it's 4, and there's only myself. 2 of them got platinum, DJ Borgin, and the Need for Speed Takeshi Sato. I've been already been all the time. Remember Clubbuster. On Death Nation for Real, there was over 11,000 on these reputations, and then the month was ending, and I couldn't actually get the store then. Tja, only Death Nation CB and Death Nation for Real actually to make it platinum done, and then I'm over with this game. Need to research actually for the PlayStation 4 actually some race game then to come forward with a little fun. And never gonna be happened. Alright, keep on moving. No, it's winter time, as I expect. The plotting falls down actually the end of this year for 4 accounts in the 6-7 months. I don't buy actually for $10 actually on every account these, what's it calling, Legend Unite Pass. Sure, it's worth. More like actually on this Elder of Scrolls I already paid $60. And there's no trophy to make it easy. For one trophy actually you need a whole 100 hours or something, this crap. And this is so confusing anyway. How much should be horsed? Let's have a drink. Cheers up, campaign, so it's called Prostit next game. I really say Nostrovia. I don't say Nostrovia anymore. Cheers up, campaign, Nostrovia. I say Nostrovia. Oh gosh. It's for the Poland and the Ukraine. Not for Russia. We're in this race, my home. Vamos. It's a song. It's an E. It's a one. It's a race. Didn't want to go. Oh gosh. Wow, the car was actually racing very fast on the panels. But it didn't have a handbrake on. Something's crap. By 800 horses. Ciao, the Twitch racers, y'all. Waiting. Definitely pros as we go. Yeah, see. Oh, that was close. Should there be coming a train or something up in here? No. There's your train. 40% left. I was trying to look behind actually having the face actually like Adam Sandler then. There we go. There it goes. The Mr. Viper Man. Oh, what happened? Here we go, that was weird. The driving on the panel was so slow. I'll miss out. In for the 30k, right? New season unlocked. From north to south. Put that on the roof. 70 style of actually a sirens. Ready to cigarette is out again. How many flags we need? 43 for the next. Yep, trophy. What's with this? Just for fun. Hold on. To say there's only 7 flags to do done. Oh crack. Oh crack. Oh, we can end up actually these. It's another career. Cool. Let's just start and end up the other one then. Of course. What the Fuck, man. Where is the end and the beginning of that cigarette in here? Smoking cigarettes actually without filters. But sometimes I'm confused. Automat. Lighthouse, Shitehouse. So, me, it, right. Oh my gosh, dude. Ho ho! That guy is definitely a bit insured. I think that's the intro actually for what's coming next. The other three contenders should actually stay at home. Comes up next with these hunting stuff. Nah, too lousy. There was one race, I don't know where it was, it doesn't matter. I think it's about what kind of an actions you're dealing done with the car, right? And I was actually separated by one race with one challenge, but 70k, no joke. I have a photograph about it. And my best record was 72 on that DJ Volgin account. Yeah, maybe the Legend Unite Pass and the VIP multiplication points, but I say percent points to get and credit points or whatever. Cold these days. Cold. Where the spider web comes up. The apartment roof sometimes here and there are higher than the other one. That's weird. Even just a small apartment about 56. Acres. Yeah. Apartment with 56 acres. Holy shit. Interesting. It's kind of need actually a whole year to clean your apartment with 56 acres. A whole year, every day, 24/7 of wood. After 255 days, you're starting up on the place where you started for 255 days. I mean, some kind of this, you know, to be exhausted and blah blah blah. So you need actually more than 500 days actually to clean your whole apartment with 56 acres. Then, alone, you live in. Interesting. At kind of, I feel like 300 quadrat meters, and you live alone and pay for that, you should actually get a party in there and make some money to get actually these apartment payment together twice a month. If you have an apartment over 300 quadrat meters, if you live alone, because it makes no sense about actually being 11 hours a day on a construction work and paying maybe then $15,000 a month for 300 quadrat meters. So you need twice a party in a month to get your money back, or actually organize your money actually to pay your apartment by actually 300 quadrat meters. So what about 6 acres apartment? I just say apartment. It's never happened that you have even one person of acre I'm talking about, but but just kind of figure it out, like think or mention you have a 56 acres of an apartment. It's never even, it's not even existing a 0.125 acre actually apartment all over. Maybe the White House, but it's not an apartment, it's the White House. But a 56 acre apartment, holy shit. Is the 12 floors down below actually in Earth? I don't know. Not just kidding, but this is seriously, what the fuck? If you live like that, and you live alone, with insects, yeah, rats and animals that you don't know. Oh, I got horses. What happened? In my apartment. It has a small garden, about 1 acre, but the rest of 55 acres is an inside apartment. we counting 10 acres of pool. Very interesting. The most time it's green or not possible to swim in there. And yeah, we got alligators somehow. And don't ask me where the dolphin comes from. The dolphin, I mean. I found that out for 2 years ago, but I already think the dolphin, when I came to the kind of idea to walk to the dolphin in kind of 7 acres, it dies anyway. Already dead. It was for 2 years ago I found out I have a dolphin in my 56 acre apartment. This is bullshit. I'm not getting drunk or some of this shit, but it's kind of feel like that, you know? It's just like, oh hell no. You can deal down that with a computer system or something, actually have that one, but in real life, even 1 acre actually to feel like living alone and have a home, not an apartment of course, a home, a mansion, okay, but a 56 acre apartment, what the how is this possible? I'm a construction worker, everything's possible, right? For the right price. Cool. Why we have so many wasps? Room full of wasps. Alright, as I promised, we continue that later. I just want to come forward a little bit in here. Crack, man. 42 flag left. For the next trophy. I always have to stay real for what I am in here anyway. This is the third account I'm playing for, and already the fourth account is actually alive since 2.5 months. Just up campaign as well. Did I already say that? Stop my mind then. Gold Rush! Oh. City of Dreams, Apartment of Dreams. 56 acres big. This is bullshit. But 300 quadratmeter, 300,000 quadratmeter. No, hold on. 300 kilometer of quadrat or 300,000 quadrat meters? I don't know. This is bullshit. Of course. Can't Dorimas. Where's the party boy? I'm almost refilling my wiper. Oh, he was set as on fire itself in the last time. Okay. Where's my swagger father? Can't Dorimas. Solo. Just went in. Seriously? That another nerf. The acres of an apartment wasn't enough. Oh, I thought actually that's the finish line. 55% left. Crap. French touched. What's the finish line, dude? Overrounded the train. Oh man, my craziness. Mostly happened when I'm not actually have the microphone on the live stream. I deal done in my free time a lot. Okay, I'm not actually one of these influencer stuff, but I don't like that. If you don't have friends and be single, actually the live home, have no family, so you don't want to make this up, you know. This is bullshit. I'm too crazy for that anyway. I'm busy to work. But now actually the winter time is coming up, and I have a little more time for gaming. Right? Tequila just says no. Spend your time for drinking and destroy your liver. Liver? You still there? Oh, already lost. Like the guy in the library up there in my brain as well. Too many drinkings. Shall we use the chapter? No. Airtime and nitro. Okay. Somebody must. Where's the swagger father right now? Refill the car, please. He's on the toilet. He has a lot of diarrhea. Tight diarrhea. Guess where the toilet paper was belong? It was getting actually on my 56-acre apartment. Already shipped. So I refilled the wiper by myself. Swagger son, what the hell? Now I need to use my hands. Oh, it was a big problem you have toilet now. Easy, I don't want to fly here. Not yet. There it goes. And another one. Watch out, the finish line is close by. And the bed. Oh, I'm sorry. R.I.P. Down there. Sometimes I say shit. I'm sorry for that one. I'll apologize my special drinky mood. At 8 o'clock 36 a.m. here in Germany, Bavaria. Did the car collapse or the game? That sound is nice. And I'm becoming the Viper Man. Tja, kan keiner schauen, wie so gut Golf zurückspielen spielen. Nice idle sound of the Viper and the Hurricane. There's a Twister all the time. What's bigger, Hurricane, right? And then the Twister is some kind of inland hurricanes. What is? Seriously, I'm sorry. I'm German. You can read out my eyes actually for the dullness. Time travel. Yeah, I believe that. If you just come rise into a Twister, that's time traveling. Or the longest consciousness actually in some kind of a wind tunnel. Why my neck hurts right now so much? Krypton. Nice one. The beginning of thought 600 and then a 900 plus. Nah, shit deal done a 900. Come bottom out. Good luck out there. If you dream of a 56-acre of apartment. Oh, basta så hade jag sagt. And bam! Whoa, what happened? Oh. Ah, there's the finish line. Hola madre. And the idle turn of the Viper on 3,500 RPM. Oh, is it a 4,000? Heck of the hay balls. What? Oh, what? He's playing soccer with the hay ball here? Nice. I think we claimed that one, right? Not sure. Oops, what happened? Oh, that was what the fuck. Be wired. Be buried. I can't do that since I actually have the good fronties right now in here. The fines are actually there is a hole missing actually, but I can't do it anymore. It's mostly impossible. Nitro. Where can find them? Another burger, guys. You want a drink? These people are not really watching in here, right? They're not even live anymore. Oh, perfect night. What was that again? Oh, mother, no. I didn't watch. I'll watch the stream. It's a perfect night for a perfect night for. What's the other night were called anyway? Still actually plenty of distance to go. And another branch. Done the same, eh? Little decoy. Oh, my eyes are feeling so salty right now. Whoa, what the hell was that? What a game stopped. Oh, I got some bimps in my eyes, goddammit. And the whole focus is gone. Thank you very much for watching, Yoel. Wherever you're from. I think the most I'm watching actually, I found out from Indonesia or India. That's weird. Over 100 watches when I have, sometimes. I mean, in a week. Just kind of 45 to 50 from India, Indonesia. Or maybe a 10% from Germany, and the rest is actually Canadian, American, or South American. That's weird. Nobody from Poland. Nobody actually from Spain or something. And the age is always between this game actually between 5 to kind of 30 years. Not more, and of course not younger. Whoa, 55k. That's the maximum for today. Uh-oh. become the Viper Man. Und dann ist er über 1 Million gefahren und er hat nochmal von vorne anfangen müssen. Ist eingeschlafen, bevor die Firma gekommen ist und hat ihm aufgezeichnet, dass er über 1 Million fahren darf mit seinem Dodge. The Tunnel. Do you get a TK? They get a TK. Four rounds to go. Ah, rank is 2 cars. What just happened? Tree of Fun. That nation. Gewichte heben? Die schon 20 Kilo. Already 2 hours I stay alive, being not angry in this game. That is nothing new, but have a good day today. So many hours left until actually tomorrow the 11:30 actually to the dentist. 3 stages to go for another. Was I calling career mode? 40 career modes to be absolutely actually cleaned up. Cleared out. Then we only need actually 4 of them. So first the flags, then the career modes, and then we need actually 40 cars. 30 cars? 30 cars. And there was something else. Can't remember. No, that's it actually. We're very close on platinum. So I think this week I get platinum on this account, and we only have Definition for Real. And when we get Definition for Real, in the same time playing then Car X. That is cruel. So that means actually I'm ending up Definition CB with this game for a long time then. There's DJ Volgin accounts I couldn't actually make on the Car X. The Definition CB Need for Speed Takeshi Sato account, I'm forward actually a lot of level 30 to go. Definition for Real is I think on level 13 or something Car X. But after actually platinizing this account, Definition CB, the 3rd time then on this game, Asphalt Legends Unite, there's only 1 account left, and that's calling Definition for Real. And even I started up actually an account on Car X then for Definition for Real. So I will stay until January actually then after this Definition CB platinize this game on Definition for Real all the times. And DJ Volgin on Elder Scrolls Online, of course. That's crazy then. That's easy. Only watching actually for 2 accounts for goodies instead of 4 accounts in one, so runs. I'm trying actually. I'm still sitting on toilet. But if I start up actually 2 hours, actually right now 2.5 hours, but drinking alcohol and smoking my cigarettes, gosh, I was running for toilet. Yeah, racing games since 2007 actually. Since there I was starting to drink alcohol and smoking my cigarettes without filters. Because the racing game somehow, I liked it. I was born into this Need for Speed Pro Street by having actually in every drag race and drift race a bottle of beer. Per race, I mean. I was very fast drunk. I think the maximum was 16 beers. And 16 beers means in a drag race. Not on the wheelie competition, but on the drag race itself. 3 times you have, blah blah blah. It's actually kind of a 48 actually, you know, sips to end up the beer. I think it was only 2 to 3 hours and I was drunk as hell. Close to actually have a box done. That was a crazy time. Yeah, started up this Pro Street. Learned actually my English. At the same time I played Resident Evil, learned a bit Japanese. Already, you know, mostly I forgot. That's crazy. Single life. I think I'm one of the 1% on earth living the whole time single and doing something for your life. You can be a good construction worker, being a good household man, playing video games, being crazy, getting fatter every year. I don't know. Having some good New Year's, inventions or something. Or just play the dual guy. Fuck that 136 on the IQ. Just play the dual guy. Or be childish. I like to do that. Yeah. Since my 6th year, I'm just working and hate the life a lot. What's that? For sure. So in der Richtung von, warum pinkel ich eigentlich in meinen Kasten rein, wenn ich Bier trinke und schwab eigentlich die Sorge mit dem Kasten rein. Dann brauche ich ja kein Wasser nicht. Dann spüle ich ja nur meine Sorge rein. Dann spare ich mir nochmal extra Wasser für meine Sorge. Das muss ich mal meiner Büromanagerin einmal sagen. Die wird sie sagen, du spinnst da komplett. Machst einen Beidel voll, schützt das rein und fährt das. Braucht kein Wasser nicht. Was zahlst du einen Haufen Geld fürs Bier, verstehst? Warum soll da noch Wasser verschwinden, wenn ich reinsuche, damit es rausgespült wird? Why is this bridge so non-vertical? Pictures like these days. Win the race. Need to fit actually my headset and my ear. Oh, that's much better. Hype it up. Vamos. Is there any chance to get the car a bit faster? Got it. Got that maxed out. That was a good one. Seriously. Because the American vehicles are losing a very fast nitro. This car is a maximum. How just they just recalculate that? I don't know. That's computer style. Hey, there you can see actually last time I was playing. So today I was actually, that was for 3 days ago. I was on Death Nation for real. Get sober, was going to the dentist, was actually doing down the Elder Scrolls 2 days long. Then another 2 days. Another 2 days. You can say actually every 2 days I'm playing this game. Okay, that was actually a long span of the Elder Scrolls. 4 days. Wow. Kind of the whole month, man. I was even playing Need for Speed Takeshi Sado. Unlocked the Ferrari LaFerrari, I did the Nissan RC, Porsche 911 GT3 RS. I saw actually for more than a month ago to bought me off the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. That's crazy. Since a month I didn't actually was playing, or actually was running out with the GT3 RS. Since a month. It feels like actually it was for 4 days ago I was playing that car. That's crazy. The time is faster ticking how older you get somehow. Especially, you know, you work at the construction work or something, you know. Teaching someone a little bit in here and there, having fun, watching over, running material hours or something, that shit, I don't know. Care about your own work and stuff as well on the compound. Cheers up, campaigner, Strawberry, so let's go to the next beam. Let's keep it moving. This week I just wait actually for the dentist, and it's tomorrow. That's it. Gunbottomos. Good luck out there. You will need it.
Strong, y'all.
Oh, that was close. I didn't was trying to crash, but I want to try to crash the vehicle rather than meet the opponent. Have a nice day. Oh, mother of hell. How can it be so fast? I say, watch out. I'm not getting off with you anymore. Over I'm going! Oh my gosh! We're losing this one! Maybe, maybe, maybe. Not a quitter, you know. Can you taste it? It tastes like victory. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Forklifting. And the last 2 stages. Time attack. Oh, that sounds cool. 8 stunts. Alright. Oh. I don't know if that is Popo or not. What we have now? So the staff water closed actually the toilet. Had no toilet paper. The party boy just set itself on fire and refilling my wiper. I have to do it by myself. Cheers up, campaigner, Strawberry City, so let's go to the next beam. Ah, gold, 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 gold. What the hell are you doing actually, party boy? Been enlightened? Like the party mode. Oh, party boy, what's going on in here? Green and a blue and a blue and a walla. Not showing up anymore like that. Oh, now it's party light. Oh, now I got it. It's how slow it runs. That's crazy. Poor power system. You need to pay a lot actually for your 56-acre of apartment. I think we were filled. Danger light. Shoot up. Ganbadamas. So 1.5 minutes to go. 8 stunts. Yxayo. Son. Knee. Itch. Rape. Man, that feels like actually a 30 seconds race, but it says a 1 minute and 10? Huh? That was never a 1 minute 10, right? Oh my gosh. I'm brainstormed. No, I claim. New season unlocked. The exotic beasts. To become a sheep as a wolf. No, hold on. A wolf like a sheep? I do not know what's going on in here. Let's go to the next song, man. Uh-oh. That's noisy. Oh, that's a nice one. Tears of Kampai. Son, itch, ray, Ganbadamas. Holy shit. What a mess. What the fuck? What's up with these lost rates? PV. I'm not a critter, mostly. Here comes the Viper boy. Gulp. Man, I was very close to winning here. That was the biggest mistake I did, going down there into the cave of rattlesnakes. Close to a new car. Ah, let's do it. 64? Yay, 64. That's the best result for today, actually, on the credits. To make it total. 55 it was, now it's a 64. Congratulations, you won the American Extreme. Completed the ass and son. What? We just talked. Oh, we got the exotic beast now. Better than these Popo stuff. So now we get the European cards, and how long? For a whole decade. Don't get me wrong, but I need to watch. So we need now 5 career seasons to win, 27 career flags, and 4 cards to unlock for platinum. Seems to be easy. Yeah. Saw that twice actually already. Paint Struggle on DJ Voyaging account, and then Need for Speed Takeshi's out of account. And now we're here right now on Damnation CD account. It's gonna be a long way until January with the Damnation for Real account then. You wanna struggle not anymore? Why should I play? I forgot already we have credits and a lot of asphalt tokens, right? Free fall. But this is gonna be a short one. Let's see what count cars we have. Our booty car. I can't believe it. Why shall we not go forward with this? That's why I'm watching actually for every account next what's coming up, like Damnation for Real account, to have already this card and not struggle again. Got these blueprints. What am I? Saw me itch race. Murderer. That was a 26 seconds? Man, it feels like actually 10 seconds. Så guys, I got a toilet, be right back, matane. On Taino. Little dancing show here in front of the toilet, eh? The airwalk, the airflow. That'd be good. Wie wollen wir uns reunieren? Schauen wir mal, was haben wir denn da für Düfte? Puma Body Spray. Boah, das stinkt ja fürchterlich. Come on, ist das perfekte Parfüm. If you just get one actually at home by $250 or something, actually this fall call, you'll be happy. That is a something. Seriously. Parfumerie Gourmand, if you have, you're seriously better than all other perfumeries on all over the world. Because Gourmand makes the best. No commercial in here, but seriously. I know what I'm smoking, I know what I'm drinking, I know what I'm perfuming it. Gotta lay down actually more money for. Oh, Perfect Nitrous was missing, sir. They're just winning the game. Oh, crack. Okay, let's do it again then. No problemas. Nobody told me about that one. I didn't watch as well, but actually just win. No problemas. Let's play another vehicle then. Let's see if it can win then. See how far you came with the struggle. Holy shit, the car is good. Has problems actually in these corners, but we can change that. Something else like the Viper, and there was a Viper driving as well in here. Can't believe that. We will live tomorrow, but we forgot the future. Something like this shit. No thanks, mate. Waiting for the good come out. 2 stunts and then the race. Roma. KTM. So close to get it. I have it on 2 accounts right now. Never was racing the KTM, goddammit. I think I had the car in Definition for Real account already. Boah. Forget about that one. Just for fun. The Reserve Corps. Because the time is mostly over. This Definition GB account for platinizing this. Let's be glad to have somebody else actually on my shoulder that says I can be doing faster. American Wrangler. The small supercar. No thanks. Not yet. What's gonna happen if it didn't let me happen, Viper? Then it's this car. Let's see how the police just make this up with us. Cheers, Kampagne, Strawberry Salute, du skal Prostinec spielen. There's no grass. No train? The vehicle is just empty, yo. Where are we going? On the PlayStation 3 you press select to get the ghost mode before you ram into the wall. Well, what happened here? Oh, fine ass supercar. What's it that? Ass! Look, claim. And that was the last claim you can deal done with. It's so much not so bad. The imitation of Ferrari 388. I can't believe you have still the second hour. I was drinking actually my third beer here right now done. And already a half liter actually of tequila Smirnoff Ice. It's 10:30 here, close to be AM. Tuesday. Ready as shaking. Girls. Now it's the time coming that actually everything is going faster and faster and I can't control that anymore. Here we go. And a new car. The Jag. Super Wild Anti-Race. Here, that's a fast car. Well, who cares? Not me. So since actually 24 hours from right now on, I got a Bugatti, but I say actually the calls. That's not a Bugatti. It's yeah, it is. It's a big a half bred actually, with everything in there, like a Durham twice. I have since actually exactly 1 day right now in my fridge, and I have eaten up the other 6 one, and the 7 ones that was costing me actually $30. Yesterday by the Elder Scrolls Online, I just eaten up actually the 6 and out the 7 one actually in my fridge right now. It's just waiting. That means actually after this live stream I want to eat it. That's crazy. But everything costs so much. It's like you go into the store, having a good sandwich. Like, I don't want to overtake it, but like actually a weight of a kilogram sandwich, it costs you actually a fortune, like $20 already. I was actually 2 times in my life on Subway, because I'm Bavarian German. It was very cheap. Maybe you pay actually for a half or 1 kilogram sandwich right now also at $20. I don't know. That's crazy. And you earn actually mostly only 10% more since the last 10 years. And they was going up like 100 to 200% with everything else. The inflation. You losing more money than you can actually get. This is what the multimillionaires want and the politics. And then we have to pay them until actually they're working with 80 years old, when they just was write down or sign in actually some certifications where you work every day actually 9 to 11 hours. You fucking buckle your skeleton, your muscles and your fat, and actually you screw them off. They don't get cancer with 40 or 50. You get it. And you have to pay for yourself. What kind of a shit is this? We are the workers. We need actually to pay more than actually these politics. To say we can actually, we need these vitamins, we need actually these kind of eating and populate actually the earth with workers instead of we need more politics. We don't need politics. One politics for 1 or 10 million should be actually be fair. But there's actually for every 1,000 there's a one politic and earn more than one of these. If you earn a 2,000 in a month, they're earning 5,000. I don't know how fair that is, but mostly they can't work anymore. May have, you know, these politics just actually sign in for paperwork. That's all. How silly is this? And the politic is still a piece of shit all over the world. Where's the fairness? We workers should be actually rich to work forward. I mean the construction workers, mostly. If I'm earning actually a month at 20k, what a politic is earning, then this is fair. Then we can talk about actually about the farmers, the industry and all this stuff. Then we investigate with them. We can't. Because we are so cheap as shit. We purples and they just actually like a moon. They're earning a lot of money over us with the taxes. Making stupid decisions like war. And the politic never wants to make war. Because we're earning a lot and the politics don't and never starting up war. We handle that with fist work actually on the streets. Done. We don't need money anymore because we're earning them as construction workers or something so much that we help other people actually who their needs. Because we know what it means to help peoples out. Because we on the construction work, we know what it means to work alone or with 3 workers together. We know that. Politics don't know. They're making his decision by himself. They just say yes or no. So that's the point, what I just try to say. The workers need more money as the politics. And then we can say, alright, why war? We help you out. You need a new house? We have no actually fearing about the police anymore or the government, they just need money for that. If you go black work or something, no. We just help you out. And everybody on earth have best houses, best quality, and we live in peace as shit. The politic destroys the peace. Got that? In the end of fact, it is like that. Get the summary actually going down. On your books. If you earn more than the politics, if you already won, and we have peace in all over the world. We don't need actually this money, weapon, and drug shifting around here and there to make money. You don't need these coins or something, these stupid fucking, that is kind of, I just want to try to say. If everybody earns more as a politic in a month, they can even hold over the water and help neighbors out whatever they need, even they get older. Here is come the solution, right? And that's it. But nobody wants. And still people want to work to help other people out. And these people that don't want to work, they feel actually a little bit in kind of desire to say, I'm so sorry that I don't want to work today. But earning a lot of money then, when they're working a week long, and then seeing, oh, working makes fun. Because I'm not alone. And then we go more and more intelligent in the years. And we are so happy, oh my gosh. There's no criminality here anymore. Nothing. Stop doing that. You only have one politics, actually for one country. And they say a statement about us. Everybody's helping each other out. Fine ass. What about your country? You need help? No problem. We send you money. And there's no war. Because they come on the idea, oh, that's money from another country, we need to pay them back. But one politic in our country makes it worth then to say, okay, we need to collect a little bit, get the money back actually for the country we was getting that money for 10 years ago or something, where we was actually very bad in this. No military anymore, no police anymore, no watchers anymore, it's just actually folks, nothing more. This was working very well, and for 5,000 years as well. There was only one imperator and that's it. It was working very well. The people was happy every day. For fuck's sake. Not be overpopulating because everybody dies so fast. Because of medicines, because of politics, war, struggle with the neighborhood, because they actually need money for you, for the protection or something shit. Never ever happened. In just kind of a 1 minute, I came from a solution from all over the world to like deal done with that. Let the people's work whenever they want, but they're earning a lot of money for that work, what they're just dealing done. The whole industry is done. The politics are done. Weapon industry done. Drugs we don't need. Get away with that. Drinking, everybody likes to drink beer and that's it. Smoking maybe cigarillos or cigars or cigarettes, that's it. Get away with the drugs, work it. Let's do it. Everything works by itself, by happy peoples, happy folks. Cheers. World problem suffered enough. There are actually other countries that you don't want to take over is actually bullshit then. Then the proudness for every country, every kind of village or something else here, like in Bavaria or something else or whatever over the countries, everybody can say, this is my country, this is actually what we're dealing done, horse riding, this is what we're doing, lollipop, I don't know, drinking coca or something. We mixed that over the decades. It doesn't matter. We earn the same money, work for ourselves. There's a boss, there's actually a manager, but they earn the same. The farmhood is having a lot of disease right now actually, right? Because we pay them too cheap, and that makes the industry. They pay them out too cheap and earn a lot of money. White people are thinking actually it's not enough. Somebody needs seriously actually what was I telling before? I can't remember these 85 acres of apartment. Then let's build them up, but he earns the same money. And the people that are working on this apartment, these 85 acres or something, they earn the same money. I can live there. No problems anymore. So what's the matter? Yeah. Don't need to actually be in high IQ. Ho ho! Rage and Violence is actually in the video game then. Should be nice. But it's too late. It's too late. Because every government is too old. Have its principles, and that's the point. And their problem starts with the religion as well. And everybody tries. You say there's a God, there's no God, you're believing on another God, blah blah blah. This earth is too old for doing that. That's a big problem here. When did the suffer and just get tortured? That would be too cruel actually for the workers. To be a military state then. That's why every step the last 100 years is so much heavy to deal down and fighting for. Just let it be happened. And then let's see what's with the earth wrong. If it's over what I don't know about a million years actually to be exist. If he can control the 5,000 years of humanity actually correct with his businessmen. If they want to get criminal killing people to get the money back from his multi-million living life. They can't deal down something. But they can advise us for the future. They are our new kings then. When we're stealing the money from them. But it doesn't matter. This earth is too old, too vengeant. Can you give me some beer, please? I'm a total cold as crack. Arigato. My door is already closed. Can we survive that vehicle? Let's see. I say no. "30 seconds. Some fun ass beer. That's gonna be interesting. Cheers. Show pictures in San Francisco, goddammit. That was fucking close. 5 seconds. Never stop. You have a good run. Was an add-on, exotic rides, W70. This is Bounty's mother. To chic. Cheers up, Campari, to strawberry sweet, so it's got Raffinak cream. Oh, come on! I know this happened. Because I was in the middle of this ramp. You piece of shit. Oh, come on. It's one of an intense asshole race. It's just so fucked up. So fucked up. Within seconds to go. I hit the helicopter, man. 5 cigarettes. Here comes the 6 cigarettes after 3 hours. Seems to be okay. Forget about that one then. That's much enough for today. Nobody's watching anyway. See you the next day. I'm out of here. 3 career seasons left. 14 flags left. What's his scores? 3 cars left, 14 flags left, 4 careers left. That must be enough for today. Have a nice time. Bye bye.